What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be doing soundboard trolling, and I will give you an example real quick.
Commander said right! Little known fact, also bunch of my...
The grand battles of history! Darth Vader! Bullshit! Ada!
See, basically like that, but it's a speaker, and it kind of sounds like a soundboard. And basically, like, I do like the interactions of like the soundboard, you know. So yeah, we're gonna just trick people, okay? I'll give away the color code at the end. Remember, join my Discord by adding me as a friend on Discord, which is PixelMonkVR, same PRP as my YouTube one. So yeah, let's get on right with the video, and I'm not gonna be talking much. I'm probably not gonna talk at all, okay? So I don't know. Let's get on with the video. I need to find my first
and I'm also a goofball and a wingnut.
Let's go, guys. I'm sorry I sound weird. I sound weird, okay? Yo, Red, can you talk?
Yeah, happy to.
Can you talk? Yo, Black, can you talk?
My world. In my world. My world. In everyone's a pony. Everyone's a pony. Rainbow. And poop butterflies. And poop butterflies.
That's beautiful,
That's
Katie.
beautiful, Katie.
Everyone's a pony. And we all eat rainbows. And poop butterflies.
That's beautiful, Katie.
That's beautiful, Katie.
You there?
You there?
In my world. Everyone's a pony. Everyone's a pony. And they poop.
That's beautiful,
That's
Katie.
beautiful, Katie.
Really weird.
Really weird.
In my world. Everyone's a pony. Everyone's a pony. Rainbow. And poop butterflies. And poop butterflies.
That's beautiful,
That's
Katie.
beautiful, Katie.
Everyone's a pony. Everyone's a pony. And we all eat rainbows. And poop butterflies.
That's beautiful, Katie.
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 I'm about to touch you. I'm about to touch you. Yeah, I'm gonna touch you. Yeah, I'm gonna touch you. Pixel monk. Blue. I'm gonna touch you.
You there?
You there?
Take my
Play with me, guys.
Everyone's
Play with me, guys.
That's why I love you.
What are you going to do with that stick?
There's lots of things you can do with this. There's lots of things you can do with this stick, Elmo.
This is going to be delicious. This is a candy.
Everyone's a pony. In my realm, everyone's a pony. Everyone's a pony. And they all eat butterflies.
Like me, but a darker version.
That's beautiful,
That's
Katie.
beautiful, Katie.
Are you live? Are you live? We can hear your head. Hey, Red, come on, Red, come on, Red. What is it? What is it? Hey, come on. No, thank you.
Calling right now.
Yeah,
Let's put pepper in there. Let's put pepper in there. Stir up. Magic Who's screaming down that microphone?
Definitely not trying to get copyrighted. I cannot play that. That was my bad.
I'm 6 years old. I don't know. 6 years old. I'm 6 years old. Ugly boy. I got long arms. What you say? What you say? He's bald. I feel a little.
Yo, can somebody go to sleep real quick?
I used to
Don't you lecture me with your $30 haircut.
Hey guys, does anyone want to get a movie? Anyone want to get a movie?
Don't you lecture me with your $30 haircut.
I was about to say. Hey, there's a almost same color coded.
I'm wearing that to play a mini game. These audience.
Yeah, his audio is.
I know.
Hey, look, you need to get better audio, bro. You just need to get a PC, a better PC.
I know, bro.
Even though I don't have one, like, I gotta give me one, because I got a PS5.
Yeah, bro, me too.
PS5 on. PS5 on.
Hey, how'd you sleep, Peter?
Hey, how'd you sleep, Peter? Brian, last night I had this crazy dream. I was eating a sheep, and now my pillow's gone. Oh, wait, here it is. What the hell was I eating?
You stupid
Yes, quite an ordeal for Cohogs.
True Waffles got better tracking.
Oh my god, what was that?
Everybody.
You need tape on the bottom.
I know.
Ever since Skibidi Toilet was banned, I haven't laughed once. I have never even smiled. Next up is Timmy. Make me laugh, or you die.
Hey, dear guys. What is the best seat in the house? The toilet. Skibidi toilet.
That joke was decent, but I didn't laugh. Give another one or you die.
What the Sigma?
You're the winner of this competition.
But what the hell, boy?
Big game, we skip the big game, cause the BK memes have been insane. Y'all really do it better than we do, so we took the night off to give this song to you.
June 20th. Messi assist, shot the day after assist, shot the not an MVP pro.
You. Look at the ground. Bro, you. Look at the ground. Look what's happening down there.
Treat me like one.
Top 5 del pollo. Top 5 del pollo. Numero 1.
Yeah, it's Chrissy Suggett. Yo, Red.
Yo, Red. Look over there, bro. Look what they're doing over there.
Yo, you.
Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
My tracking's losing.
Oh, yes, Daddy. Oh, yes, Daddy.
What's the code?
What? No,
What's the code?
No.
Tell me what the code is. Tell me what
Oh,
the code
yes, Daddy. Oh, yes, Daddy. Oh, yes, Daddy. Oh, yes, Daddy.
Do it to me.
No, like actually, please. No, like actually, tell me what the code is. Tell me what the code is.
Oh, yes, Daddy. Oh, yes, Daddy.
Okay, I'm back.
My trap is working. My trap is working.
I just woke up. I'm so tired.
Is this tired of me?
I really want to go back to bed.
In my realm, every rainbow, and poop butterflies.
That's beautiful,
That's
Katie.
beautiful, Katie.
Hey, Blue, do you want to do a code together? Let's join the code together. No, you look like Michael Jackson.
Un video más, mi gente, me gustaría saber de dónde tú tienes
Daddy, I'm coming. Daddy, I'm coming. Oh my God. Oh my God.
So you ready? Countdown. 3, 2, 1. Oh, hi, man.
Sin City was amazing.
I don't want you. I'm going.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. The code is 106. Red 1, green 0, blue 6. And like always, I already know the deal. Forgot to say like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And like always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!